Google has expanded Gemini in Chrome to Canada, India, and New Zealand with 50 plus language support, bringing agentic workspace integration to the browser side panel. I didn't see UK on there, and sure as hell not going to see Germany on there, so we're not going to be part of the party clan.
Cmd+AI.
But it's so interesting how this has taken so long. We've got Claude, we've got Comet, we've got Dia, we've got all these agentic browsers. Google seem to normally be the people who are just like throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks. Yet they've been so slow to agentic browsing, and I really wonder why. It can read up to the context of 10 open tabs, has deep integration with calendar, docs, drive, maps, search, and YouTube and things like that, which we didn't cover it. And I wish we kind of did. The Google Workspace CLI has got a lot of attention this week. I think we could have had a viral video on our hands if we had done that and edited it, but we didn't because we thought this is a little bit boring. Are people going to be interested in this?
Yeah.
And everyone's
this
talking
happens.
about it.
We are covering 10 news every week, so
yeah.
This happens.
Anyway, so you can compose Gmail, although I won't open it right now. I did actually use Gemini inside of Gmail because I was using Comet to like tell me about what the update is on a big, long conversation. But then I was like, oh, it's got a Gemini button. So I clicked that and asked it the same questions. It's actually pretty good. So it is still integrated within the apps, but I think this is a broader one that sits outside the app. So you've got Nano Banana 2 in it as well. It's slowly rolling out bit by bit, and might be a really solid solution when it does eventually come out, considering it's taken so bloody long. So yeah, Gemini for Google Chrome, slowly but surely. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.